Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable dark mode on Telegram. Friends, if you are using Telegram app in night, then you can use dark mode. Dark mode will help you in reducing eye strain and also save lot of battery. So to enable dark mode in Telegram, you simply need to open Telegram app. In Telegram Messenger, you need to press on the three lines. Here you need to press on this moon icon. Now your Telegram Messenger will turn into dark mode. So friends, like this you can very easily enable dark mode on Telegram Messenger. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.